Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to create a group chat on Instagram for up to 20 people. For this I'll go to Instagram and then swipe over to my DM section. Here I'm pressing the button with the notepad in the upper right corner. And then I type in the username for the people I want to add. If they are private, then it doesn't work. So let's go Ronaldo, I don't know, Beyonce, maybe Messi. Then we click on create group chat. So now it is important that all those people follow you back. So it's actually not possible with Ronaldo and Messi because they don't follow me. So I'm just typing in a message so you can see. Now it says sending, but because they aren't following me back, the message won't be sent and it will say failed. But if your friends follow you back, here failed to send message. If your friends follow you back, then it shouldn't be a problem. And yeah, that's it. Okay, that was a little hack on how to create a group chat on Instagram. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.